Hi, I'm Pamela from Content Clarity and welcome to my channel where you can learn all about how to simplify content planning, content creation for your business so that you can get on with the business and grow and scale with ease. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking you through 5 real ideas or TikTok ideas for introverts. Now, I'm an introvert myself. I have learned to sort of not mind getting my face on camera, but I know that for a lot of people that can still be a bit of a sort of icky thing. So when it comes to Reels and TikToks in a world where everybody's dancing and doing fabulous transitions, and it can be rather overwhelming to think about it and actually seem like quite a bit of a block as to, okay, well, I just can't get involved in this. Now, there's no reason why as an introvert, you should be missing out on the massive reach opportunities that exist on things like Instagram, Reels and TikTok. So let me now show you some examples of fantastic Reels or TikToks that I have seen that would make excellent series content for any introvert entrepreneur so that you can take advantage of these platforms. So first example, we have Schmuckstick, who's shown how from the raw materials she creates wonderful products and offerings. Then we have Ryanair, who's using a face filter. That means that you're not showing your full face, you're just showing eyes and a mouth. It's really, really popular. There's loads of filters. Then we have Blue Strawberry Studio, who's showing packing videos. So this is great if you have a product company. And then we have Adobe Geek, who, if you are a service company or you offer help, showing tips and tutorials on how to do set things. So obviously they are big on Adobe Photoshop, so showing how you can remove backgrounds and images, for example. So it's a really good way to sort of show your expertise and get your skills across if you are sort of a service-based business. So it's a really good example from him. And then last up, we have a green screen, which is one of my ones. So again, it's not your full face on the screen. In fact, you can make it as small as you like and just choose any background to do the sort of large talking really for you. So there you have it, 5 Reel or TikTok ideas for introvert entrepreneurs so that you can take part on these platforms and benefit from the fantastic reach that's currently available using these content executions. Let me know how you get on, and if indeed you have any other examples or any other ideas that you want to share with everybody, put them in the comments section below, and I will see you again soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.